variation of so what we have to do, we have to plot a curve between the time period and the distance from center of mass. Okay. First case, when suspended, when the compound pendulum is suspended from the center of mass, so S1 point of suspension is at center of mass. When this point of suspension is at center of mass, the distance of the center of mass from the point of suspension will be 0. So how much will be k square by L? K square upon L is 0, so it will be infinite. So what will be the equivalent length? L plus k square by L, 0 plus infinity, that means it is infinity. When L0 is infinity, so time period will be 2 pi square root of L0 by G, that is equals to infinity, because L0 is also infinity. So this point is the center of mass. When suspended from the center of mass, its time period will be infinite. Is that okay? Number 2. When suspended from any another point, try to understand. L0 equals to what? L plus k square by L, right? What I'm saying, when the L is increased, yani ki distance of point of suspension from the center of mass is gradually increased, then what will be the effect? For that, I will calculate this. How would I calculate this? This is root L whole square plus k upon root L whole square. This is a square, this is b square, right? So I will say minus of 2 root L into k by root L. What is that? Root L and root L will cancel, so it will become minus 2k. So I subtracted minus 2k, so I would have to add plus 2k. So it will be plus 2 root L into k by root L, so it will become 2k. But this is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is whole square of a minus b. So I will say this is L0 is equals to what? This is a, that is root L, minus b, k upon root L whole square plus 2k. This is what? L0. And what I'm saying, L0 will be minimum when this part of function will be minimum. What I'm saying, this L0 will be minimum when root L minus k upon root L is also minimum, and that will be minimum when? Whole square. When it will be minimum? The minimum value of any square can be 0. So this root L minus k upon root L must be equals to 0 for being minimum. Yes, so it will be root L is equals to k upon root L. So L will be equals to k when point of suspension of the rigid body is at a distance from center of mass equal to k. Then this L0 will be minimum. And how much will be this L0? Minimum value of this L0 will be, it has been 0. When it has been 0, then L0 is equals to how much? 2k. It will be written as 2k. Yes or no? So this is the minimum equivalent length. In this case, when point of suspension from the center of mass is at a distance equals to k, the L0 is minimum. When L0 is minimum, its time period will also be minimum 2 pi square root of L0 minimum upon G, that is equals to 2 pi square root of 2k upon G, or it can be written as 2 pi square root of 2L upon G, because k is equals to L, so 2k is equals to 2L. right? This is the minimum time period, and minimum time period is at a distance. When this L is equals to K, then time period will be minimum. What I initially, when it was suspended about the center of mass, time period was maximum. Now the time period is minimum. That means what? As length, as a distance of the point of suspension from the axis of rotation increases. That means what? As L increases, then L naught, that means L plus K square by L, L plus K square by L decreases, and hence time period also decreases. And when this L is equals to K, the time period will be minimum. And when this length, this distance is also increased, is again increased, further increased, then this L naught, that means L plus K square by L will again increase, and hence the time period of the compound pendulum will also increase. What does it mean that I got a minimum value when I was increasing? That means what? When I increased L, the equivalent length continuously decreased, and further increase in length, it will again increase. So when further increase in L, the equivalent length will again increase. Getting me or not? Not getting. Getting a minimum value means what? When you approach that value, L naught equivalent length decreases. And afterwards what? Because this is minimum value, it cannot decrease more than that, so it will again increase. If you suppose there is a function y in x, and you get minimum value of y, that means what? As x increases, y first decreases and then increases. Yes, दूसरी बात, if y is a function of x and you get a maximum value of y, maximum value of y matlab at a certain point y is maximum, that means before that and after that it was less than the maximum value. If you get minimum value of y, that means at a certain value of x, y is minimum, that means before that and after that it was more than the minimum value. If it is minimum, then before that and after that it is more than the minimum value. That means what? When you approach that value, it decreases, and afterwards it again increases. When the equivalent length first decreases and then increases, then time period also first decreases and then increases. This is center of mass, and this is one side of the rigid body. And what about this side? This is T minimum, and this is again a point where L equals to K in other side. So when it was suspended from the center of mass, time period was infinite, and as L increases, time period first decreases and then again increases. Is that okay? This is what the graph between the time period and the distance from the center of mass, right? Now, one more thing. If you draw a horizontal line, this horizontal line means what? That this is a certain value of time period, the same time period is here, same time period is here, same time period is here, same time period is here. This horizontal line cuts this graph at 4 points. That means for all these points, time period will be same as we studied before. What? On a single rigid body, on a single compound pendulum, there may be 4 points about which time period will be same if they are suspended from that point. Am I right or not? Yes? Okay. So if this point is S1 and this point is S2, so this will be O1 and this will be O2. These are 4 points about which time period is same. That means what? Four points on graph for which time period is same. S1, S2, O1, O2. Right? We have already discussed about these points, right? One more thing. But for minimum time period, there are only 2 points on rigid body. कौन से 2 points? This is a point about which time period is minimum, about which time period is same. Except these 2 points. 1 point at this side, 1 point at that side. Except these 2 points, there will be always 4 points about which time period will be same. About which time period will be same. Except these 2 points, and these 2 points belongs to the minimum time period. Minimum equivalent to the simple pendulum. Is that okay? Okay. We have to solve a question at a distance 50 centimeters, 75 centimeter, 225 centimeter and 250 centimeters from one end. Then time period of rod's angular SHM are found same. Then find out number 1, length of rod, that time period, minimum time period of rod, and points for minimum time period. ये 4 क्वेश्चन फाइंड आउट करने हैं, राइट? ओके, चलो जी एक रॉड के बारे में बात करते हैं. A point at a distance 50 centimeter, then a point at a distance 75 centimeter. Again there is a point at a distance 250 centimeter and 225 centimeter. When they are suspended from these points, time period will be same. So this is, let's say, S1, this is S2, this is O1 and this is O2, right? Okay, number 2, this is S2 and this O1, both are at the same distance from the center of mass. Am I right or not? So 225 minus 75 is 150 and half of the 150 is 75. This distance is 75. So 75 plus 75, so this point is at 150 centimeter. Got it or not? फिर से बोलूं, this is point O1 and this is point S2. If and both are at equal distance from the center of mass. याद आया क्या? This is a rod. This is S1, this is S2. S1 is at a distance L. So there will be O1 at a distance K square by L. When it is suspended from S2 at a distance K square by L, then there will be another point of oscillation O2 at the same distance L. Remember or not? Got it? So center of mass is always at equal distance from S2 and O1. So this distance and this distance should be equal. This is the point of 225 centimeter. This is the point of 75 centimeter. So 225 minus 75 upon 2. Total distance is 225 minus 75 upon 2. That means this distance is how much? 150 by 2, that is 75 centimeter. This distance is 75 centimeter. This distance is 75 centimeter, right? It was already 75 centimeter point. 75 plus 75, this center of mass will be at a distance 150 centimeter. And if this is 150 centimeter and this is center of mass, that is geometric center of the rod, so this is also 150 centimeter. So the length of rod is 150 plus 150, that means 300 centimeter, that means 3 meter. Length of rod is 3 meter. Got it or not? Number 1. Number 2, we will check this length again, right? This distance is L. 50 and 150. Distance between 50 and 150 is 100 centimeter. So small l is equals to 100 centimeter. And k square by L is equals to 75 centimeter. Am I right? And k square for rod is written as L square by 12. Okay. So L square by 12 equals to how much? From here, you will find out k square, that is 75 into small l. K square is how much? 75, small l is 100 centimeter, so this much of centimeter square. This is in CGS, right? And k square is written as L square by 12, that is equals to 7500. So L square equals to 7500 into 12, right? Now, it can be written as L square equals to 2500 multiplied by 3 is 7500. So 3 is multiplied by 12. So this is 36. So L is equals to how much? 50 into 6. That is 300 centimeter. So length of the rod is again 300 centimeter. That means 3 meters. We have got the length of rod. Now we have to find out time period in this case. So time period is written as 2 pi square root of L plus k square by L upon G. So this time period will be 2 pi square root of L. L is how much? 100 centimeter. K square by L is how much? 75 centimeter upon G. And all these are written in centimeter, so it is to be divided by 100 to get in meter. So the time period will be 2 pi square root of G. Square root of G and pi are, square root of G is equals to pi. So pi and square root of G are cancelled. So there is only 2 into 175 by 100. 25 cancelled with the 25. So it will be 7. It will be 4. 4 and root of 4 and 2 cancel, so it is equals to root 7 seconds is the time period of the rod about all these 4 points. Is that okay? Okay. 437, okay, by 100, okay, 7 by 4, root 7 seconds, right? Okay. Now what is asked? Minimum time period. For T minimum, L should be equals to L naught is equals to 2K. 2 as it is K. You can find out K from here. What will be K? K will be 50 root 3 centimeter. So 2K is 50 root 3 centimeter and it has to be converted into meters, so divided by 100. So L naught will be how much? L naught minimum will be how much? Root 3 by 2. So the time period minimum will be equals to 2 pi square root of L naught minimum upon G. So it was equals to only root 3. So 2 pi, 2 into 50 is 100, 100 by 100 is 1. So it will be 2 pi square root of root 3 upon G. Root G and pi are cancelled, so it is 2 into square root of 1.732. Okay, got it?